When we look into this world superficially, nothing holds meaning anymore. There are wars, suffering, and pain everywhere. Yet, when we look closely enough, we might still find lessons of life in the most purest form of nature. This is a poem which I wrote back in 2017 when I was still in school. I was inspired by those romantic poets, and I too found my feelings reflected in nature. I am Alexrex, and today I present to you the story of Leafy. Gasping every grain, soaked wet under every drop of rain. In the silly slummy soil, they all hoped to sink in, to grow and toil. Though only broken limbs were holding on to rocks, the roots promised to withstand every shock, gave them hope to stand, and with sunlight gave it a hand. Days after days, through tears into years, those winds showed them how to overcome their fears. Each stem now gained new leaves and lust, with the arrival of fruits nailed down through trust. With every little rain, the stem promised the leaves. One day they would all touch the skies. Although the moon was far, they all believed the lies. Just then, the fruits left the stems, and Leafy asked, "Am I like them?" For you the highest is saved, and it's much better than to be cut by a blade. And this kept Leafy from being afraid. In the shaky storms battles were fought, but Leafy did not doubt, remembering the stem and their bond. But then the autumn hit, and the sweet truth now spilled into the sweetest lies. Once from which the beauty of the dew dropped, now broke off without cries. It just popped. Those laughs forgotten, Leafy was treated as though it was rotten. Between the trees of fall, after the day was done, Leafy woke up to face again the morning sun. Leafy without a heart was forsaken. Leafy without a heart was broken. The autumn winds blew it away. Without a love you or a goodbye, Leafy took with him only lies, and with invisible cries flew away.